So, bit of a windy day. Yeah, this snow is going to come down now, and that is going to happen with the help of this wonderful device that I have made. Let's see, this camera has to go a bit here. Yes. So we have wire rope, a little anchor, and some kind of winch, or just to keep it nice and tidy and in order. So yeah, and gonna cut it off. There's new snow coming, and in spring there will be rain coming, so to avoid to get the roof load too heavy, I will cut it down today. So I cleared the ridge line of snow, and now I'm gonna throw down the anchor, the cable, that the cable goes along here and then all over there, past the chimney, and then down this corner. Try to get a big piece cut off. Yes, just about there. So, let's see, throw this down. Yes, it's a nice direction. So, I think now I go down and cut it off. Isn't it beautiful? Just to show, this connection is made in a way that if this whole caboodle would be dug under a big pile of snow, so you don't have to pull the anchor through the pile of snow, just undo it and the wire will come through easily without the anchor. Yeah. Very happy.